also on exposition text. Ya, kita periksa nomor 12 berarti ya. We have finished number 11, now we can do number 12. Delphine, can you try to do number 12, please? What is it? Can you read and then read also the correct choice, the correct answer? Delphine?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, silahkan baca. Dr. Javier.
Dibuka dulu.
Hah?
Bentar.
Maybe the biggest challenge the pop and the clergy must resolve in recent times.
Yes, okay, in addition. Okay, thank you. Number 17. Clarin Gracia. Clarin.
Moving from one country to other can result in culture shock. In addition, the language barrier that many immigrants face can lead to a long life of hardship.
Yes, thank you. Number 18, Michael Aldrich.
The author's assumption that men are inferior to women is severely lacking. However, she does bring up a valid point that men are unable to give birth to.
Yes, thank you. 19, Levina. Levina Krishna.
Levina ini izin vaksin.
Nah, tadi ada bukan? Emang tadi nggak ada?
Tadi dia bilang izin
Rasanya tadi
vaksin.
waktu. Oke. Tabita aja deh, Tabita.
The national deficit would bring many positive benefits. For example, banks would have more money to loan small business owners that could potentially stimulate the economy.
Thank you. Yes. Number 20, Jefta.
A ceasefire between North and South Korea has been in effect for 50 years. However, without a peace treaty, the potential for another war is always there.
Yes, okay. So, however, without a peace treaty, the potential is still there. Okay, great. Now, exercise 2, kita lanjutkan ya. Alexander Haskell.
Polls show that Tony Blair is the most popular prime minister this century.
You have to understand.
There are even members of his own party who are uneasy with his approach.
Yes, thank you. Yes, okay. Next, number 2. Brian Julian.
Yes, ma'am.
Silahkan dicoba number 2.
There are some slight variations in temperature. 26 to 27 degrees should be expected.
There are some slight variations in temperature. And then what is your answer? Pilihan kamu yang mana?
Otherwise.
What is the meaning of otherwise? Otherwise itu artinya apa?
Dengan kata lain.
No, otherwise bukan dengan kata lain. Otherwise adalah jika tidak, gitu ya. Misalnya gini, contohnya ya. You have to wear masks all the time. You have to wear your mask all the time. Otherwise, you will potentially get infected by COVID misalnya gitu. Ya, itu kalau penggunaan otherwise. Jadi ini bukan otherwise. There are some slight variations in temperature, hanya beda sedikit ya variasinya, slight. There are some slight variations in temperature, blah blah blah. 26 to 27 degrees should be expected. 26 to 27. So what is it? Number 2. Mungkin bisa dibantu yang lain? Atau kamu bisa betulkan?
Yang A.
Ya, consequently. What is so consequently? Consequently itu adalah sebagai akibatnya ya, as a result gitu ya. Karena ada slight variations, hanya beda sedikit, berarti ya antara 26 sampai 27 tadi yang diharapkan. Bukan 26 sampai 30 ya, karena hanya beda sedikit 26 sampai 27 derajat. So consequently. Number 3. Hanjaya, please. Number 3.
The two main Channel Island, in particular, Jersey and Guernsey, are much closer to France than to England.
In particular itu berarti secara khususnya gitu ya, in particular. Tetapi kita harus mengecek kalimat di depan. Karena yang di depan dikatakan the two main channel islands. Dia hanya sebutkan 2. Jadi 2 aja ya main channel yang mau disebutkan tuh 2. Lalu kemudian di bagian belakang itu disebutkan Jersey and Guernsey dan itu hanya 2 juga. Jadi kalau kita pilih yang in particular itu misalnya there are a lot of fruit in Indonesia. In particular secara khusus banana and papaya are very popular misalnya. Itu kan depannya mengatakan ada banyak buah-buahan, mungkin puluhan, ratusan jenis, secara khusus pepaya dan banana itu yang paling populer, misalnya seperti itu. Tapi in this sentence, we see the two main channel islands, hanya 2. Lalu kemudian juga Jersey and Guernsey, cuma 2 juga, jadi jangan in particular. Lebih tepat adalah namely. Namely itu adalah yaitu. Jadi dia mengatakan ada dua channel islands yaitu Jersey dan Guernsey gitu. Oke? Number 4. Wiliana.
It was announced that nurses' working hours would be increased by 25%. As a result, even fewer training nurses are expected to join the profession.
Okay, that's right. As a result, ya, as a result. Sebagai akibatnya lebih sedikit yang ingin join sebagai nurses. Number 5. Vanessa Charles. Vanessa.
Sales of CDs have experienced a small but steady fall over the past 12 months. In contrast, vinyl records have seen an increase in their share of the market up to
1.7%. Yeah, okay. So, 2 items are mentioned here, CDs and vinyl records. Ya, vinyl records itu piringan hitam yang gede, yang warna hitam itu ya, piringan hitam ya, warnanya hitam ya, yang besar itu. Jadi ada 2 item, CD dan vinyl records. And then CD experience steady fall, turun ya penjualannya. Lalu kemudian in contrast, vinyl records increase. Okay. Lanjut number 6, number 6. Desi, please.
The Vice Chancellor explained that in light of the current financial